Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, the Aqua2 Lab. Today we're going to talk about benefits of planted aquarium and how they can be used to teach us and kids about environmental science. Planted aquariums are a type of aquarium where aquatic plants are grown along with fish. This creates more natural environment for the fish and provides many benefits for the aquarium as a whole. One of the main benefits of planted aquarium is that it helps to improve water quality. The plants absorb the waste produced by the fish and turn it into nutrients for themselves. This helps to keep the water clean and healthy for the fish. Another benefit is that the plants help to oxygenate the water. As they photosynthesize, they release oxygen into water, which is essential for the fish to breathe. Planted aquariums also provide a natural and beautiful environment for fish to live in. The plants create a more realistic environment for them and swim and play in. But planted aquariums aren't just great for fish. They are also a great teaching tool. In fact, they can be used to teach us and kids about environmental science in very fun and interactive way. One of the main topics we can learn about is nitrogen cycle. In a planted aquarium, the fish produce waste which is broken down into bacteria into ammonia. The ammonia is then turned into nitrites and nitrates by other bacteria. These nitrates are then used by the plants to grow, which is in turn helps to purify the water. We can also learn about importance of biodiversity. In a planted aquarium, there are many different types of plants and fish living together. This is a good example how different species can coexist in the same ecosystem and rely on each other for survival. Now let's move on to some hands-on activities that we can do, learn about planted aquarium and environmental science. First, we can set up a small planted aquarium and observe the nitrogen cycle in action. We can test the water to see the levels of ammonia, nitrites and nitrates and observe how they change over time. We can also do a biodiversity scavenger hunt. We can identify different species of plants and fish in the aquarium and learn about their unique characteristics and behaviors. Finally, we can create a small and mini ecosystem in a jar. We can place aquatic plants, snails, shrimps and other things in a jar with water and observe how they interact with each other in time. If you are interested in seeing some of the beautiful examples of a planted aquarium, you can visit our Aqua2 Lab display gallery in Gurgaon, which is also the India's first planted aquarium cube gallery. To conclude, planted aquariums are not only a beautiful addition to any room, but they are also provide many benefits for the fish and the environment. They can also be used as a tool to teach us about environmental science in a fun and interactive way. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more educational content.